Hello, and welcome back to Bonfit Life. I'm Kay, and I'm so excited to have you here with me today for a very special yoga session designed just for couples. Whether you've been practicing yoga for years or this is your first time trying it together, today's session is all about building flexibility, trust, and connection with your partner. We're going to take it slow and focus on partner poses that will help you feel in sync physically, emotionally, and mentally. So, grab your partner, find a quiet space, and let's get started. Before we get into the yoga poses, I want us to start by focusing on our breath. Breathing together is such a powerful way to align with your partner and create a sense of calm. So, let's sit down, side by side with your partner, legs crossed. Close your eyes, and as you inhale, focus on the present moment. As you exhale, notice the shared rhythm. We'll do this for about a minute. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Breathing in harmony with your partner helps create that feeling of unity and helps calm the mind. We'll start with a seated spinal twist, which is amazing for increasing flexibility and stretching the spine. Sit beside your partner with your legs crossed. Now place your legs crossed knee up with a straight back. Place your one hand behind your own back for support. Gently twist your torso to the left, feeling the stretch. Breathe together as you hold this twist for 5 breaths. Then slowly come back to center and switch sides. Next, we're going to do a forward fold, which is all about trust and letting go. Sit facing your partner with your legs extended and your feet touching. Hold each other's wrists or forearms. One partner will lean back gently, while the other partner folds forward. As you fold, take deep breaths and really let yourself relax into the stretch. You're trusting your partner to support you as you let go of tension in your back and legs. Now let's move into one of my favorite combinations, partner downward dog into assisted child's pose. One partner starts in a downward dog position with your hips raised and your body forming a triangle with the floor. The other partner will come behind and gently place their hands on your lower back for support. This is such a powerful pose because it helps stretch the whole body, while also reminding you that your partner has your back, literally. After a few breaths, the partner in downward dog can come down into child's pose, and the assisting partner can gently press down on their lower back, helping to deepen the stretch and provide that extra connection. Let's work on some balance together. We're going to move into partner tree pose. Stand next to your partner, close enough to touch. You're going to balance on one foot, placing the sole of your other foot on the inner thigh of your standing leg. You can hold each other's hands or press your palms together in front of your hearts. Take a moment to breathe and feel how balancing together requires you both to stay steady and connected. Switch legs and repeat on the other side. Remember, it's okay to wobble. Next, we're going to engage our core with partner boat pose. Sit facing your partner, knees bent and toes touching. Grab each other's hands, then start to lift your feet up, balancing on your sit bones. Extend your legs until you're in a V shape, forming a boat with your partner. This one really works your core, but it's also a fun way to test your balance and connection. If you wobble or fall, no worries. To close our session, we're going to come back to our breath. Sit facing your partner and take each other's hands. Close your eyes and let's breathe together. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. As you breathe, reflect on how you feel after practicing together. Whether it was your first time or you've done this before, take a moment to appreciate each other's presence and support. Yoga is all about connection, not just with yourself, but with those around you. Thank you both for joining me today for this couples yoga session. I hope you're feeling more connected, both with your body and your partner. Remember, the most important thing is the time you spend together and the way you support each other, both on and off the mat. If you enjoyed this session, be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments how today's session went for you. Until next time, keep working out, keep connecting, and I'll see you in the next video. Bond Fit Life, building strong bodies and stronger connections. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.